Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, in the dollar yen, I'm definitely still looking at this as 5 waves up, and I still think we're in a wave 5. Kind of looks like we're in a wave 5 of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave 5. Definitely no Fibonacci bounce, definitely no break of structure. At this point, I think it is pretty likely to go up to the 100% Fibonacci extension around the 165 area before we actually do get a significant push to the downside. Taking it down to the weekly time frame, the same difference, no break of structure, no Fibonacci bounce, no reason at all to think that this uptrend is over. Especially on the yen pairs, we really do not want to try to identify the top. We really want to just continue to look for continuation entries on shorter time frames. Going down to the daily time frame, I still think this is likely a wave 1. I still think this is likely a wave 2. I still think we're likely in a wave 3. We have a couple areas to keep an eye on. The 162.2, I think, is possibly an area where this could end a trend and go down and break structure. But according to the higher time frames, we still have a lot of upside potential, so I don't even think I would count on this right here. I would definitely still be looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, it looks like we had the end of a correction recently. I was looking at this yesterday as possibly being an A, possibly being a B. So if it does bounce off to 78%, go down, break structure, then you could possibly go short for the wave C. But looking at the daily time frame, I think it's more likely this is a 3, this is a 4, and this is probably a wave 5. So I think it's likely to go up to around that 162.2 area, like I was showing on the daily time frame. We have a pretty significant little Fibonacci level right there, which could be the area of resistance that causes this to go back down. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely continuing to make higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Until you get a break of that higher low, higher low series, I would definitely only be looking for longs in an uptrend. Pretty much every single one of these pullbacks has been 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves down. Even this right here, 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves down. So what am I doing? Unless this bounces from the 78%, goes down, breaks structure in a very significant way, which would turn me into a seller at the end of pullbacks. Unless it does this picture right here, I am definitely looking for more three-way pullbacks to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. You have to remember, especially when you're talking about the yen pairs, that the monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour time frame, every single time frame on the higher time frames is in a uptrend. When every single higher time frame is in an uptrend, you do not go down to the shorter time frames and look for shorts. You look for continuation patterns. If you were doing nothing but looking for longs, you would be having a very significant increase in your trading account. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.